Why learn about electronic and mobile commerce and enterprise systems? Electronic commerce has transformed many areas of our lives and careers. One fundamental change has been the manner in which companies interact with their suppliers, customers, government agencies, and other business partners. In addition to the changes brought by e-commerce, individuals and organizations today are moving from a collection of non-integrated transaction processing systems to highly integrated enterprise systems that perform routine business processes and maintain records about them. These systems support a wide range of business activities associated with supply chain management, customer relationship management, and product lifecycle management. Supply chain management, a system that includes planning, executing, and controlling all activities involved in raw material sourcing and procurement, the conversion of raw materials to finished products, and the warehousing and delivery of finished products to customers. Electronic commerce is conducting of business activities electronically over computer networks. It includes any business transaction executed electronically between companies, business to business, companies and consumers, business to consumer, consumers and other consumers, consumer to consumer, public sector and business government, government to business, public sector to citizen, government to citizen, and public sector to public sector, government to government, government. Business activities that are strong candidates for conversion to e-commerce are ones that are paper-based, time-consuming, and inconvenient for customers. Electronic commerce is defined as selling and purchasing goods and services using internet. Next is business to business. Business to business is a subset of e-commerce in which all the participants are organizations. B2B e-commerce is a useful tool for connecting business partners in a virtual supply chain to cut their supply times and reduce costs. Grainger is a B2B distributor of products for facilities maintenance, repair, and operations, a category called MRO, with more than 1.5 million different items offered online. Business to business is the online sale of goods or services between businesses. B2B involve business trading with each other rather than with individual consumers. Next is business to consumer e-commerce. Is a form of e-commerce in which customers deal directly with an organization and avoid intermediaries by using B2C e-commerce to sell directly to consumers, producers, or providers of consumer products can eliminate the middlemen or intermediaries between them and the consumer. In many cases, this squeezes costs and inefficiencies out of the supply chain and can lead to higher profits for businesses and lower prices for consumers. The elimination of intermediate organizations between the producer and the consumer is called disintermediation. One reason for the steady growth in B2C e-commerce is shoppers find that many goods and services are cheaper when purchased online, including stocks, books, newspapers, airline tickets, and hotel rooms. Another reason for the growth in B2C e-commerce is that online B2C shoppers have the ability to design a personalized product. Nike provides a successful example of this approach to personalization. Personalization, the process of tailoring web pages to specifically target individual consumers. Business to consumers is a commerce model where business sell products and services directly to consumers, often online. So next is consumer to consumer. As a subset of e-commerce that involves electronic transactions between consumers using a third party to facilitate the process. eBay is an example of a C2C e-commerce site. Customers buy and sell items to each other through the site, founded in 1995. eBay has become one of the most popular websites in the world, with 2015 net revenue of $8.5 million. Consumer to consumer is a business model often defined as one consumer selling goods or services to another consumer, which done online. Examples are Shopee, Lazada, and Carousel, and Facebook Marketplace. So next is e-government. Is the use of information and communications technology to simplify the sharing of information, speed formerly paper-based processes, and improve the relationship between citizens and government. Government to citizen, G2C, government to business, G2B, and government to government, G2G, are all forms of the e-government, each with different applications. Citizens can use G2C applications to submit their state and federal tax returns online, renew auto licenses, purchase postage, and apply for student loans. G2B applications support the purchase of materials and services from private industry by government procurement offices, enables firms to bid on government contracts, and help businesses identify government contracts on which they may be bid. G2G applications support transactions between government entities such as between the federal government and state or local governments. Government to government services online is a suite of web applications that enables government organizations to report information such as birth and death data, arrest warrant information, and information about the amount of state aid being received to the administration of Social Security services. Next is mobile commerce.
Commerce to
Relies
commerce.
on the use of mobile devices such as tablets and smartphones to place orders and conduct businesses. Smartphone manufacturers such as Apple, Huawei, Lenovo, LG, Samsung, and Xiaomi are working with communications carriers such as AT&T, Sprint, Nextel, and T-Mobile, and Verizon to develop wireless devices, related technology, and services to support m-commerce. Mobile commerce is a rapidly growing segment of e-commerce, with Japan, the United Kingdom, and South Korea leading the world in m-commerce growth. 15. The market for m-commerce in North Korea is maturing much later than in other countries for several reasons. In North America, responsibility for network infrastructure is fragmented among many providers, and consumers' payments are usually made by credit card. In most Western European countries, consumers are much more willing to use m-commerce. Japanese consumers are generally enthusiastic about new technology and therefore have been much more likely to use mobile technologies to make purchases. Worldwide, m-commerce accounted for 35% of all retail e-commerce sales in the fourth quarter of 2015. In the United States, the share of e-commerce transactions completed on a mobile device grew 15% from the prior year, representing 30% of all e-commerce transactions.
Okay, mine. Thank you, Giselle Leamich, Credo. Advantages of electronic and mobile commerce. The advantages of electronic and mobile commerce are the following: reach new customers, or establishing an e-commerce website offers firms the opportunity to tap into new markets and attract customers beyond their physical store locations. Two is reduce cost. By streamlining the order and delivery process, companies can increase sales and improve accuracy. The, this efficiency allows for more orders to be completed within the same time frame and with greater precision. Three is speed the flow of goods and information. E-commerce facilitates accelerated information flow between organizations and their customers, as electronic connections and communications are already established. Fourth is increased accuracy, enabling buyers to input their own product specifications and other information directly helps eliminate human data entry errors on the suppliers and and ensures order accuracy. Improved customer service. Detailed delivery information increases customers' loyalty by ensuring others meet desired dates consistently. Sticker Mule's e-commerce platform prioritizes ease of use, allowing customers to place orders quickly and approve proofs online. E-commerce challenges. Detailed delivery information increases customers' loyalty by ensuring orders meet desired dates consistently. Sticker Mule's e-commerce platform prioritizes ease of use, allowing customers to place orders quickly and approve proofs online. Their web infrastructure centralizes customer inquiries, facilitating faster responses for the support team. With a robust help center and review system, Sticker Mule emphasizes customer service, fostering trust and engagement. Another challenge is dealing with customer privacy concern. While many US internet users engage in online shopping to save time, about one-third remain hesitant due to privacy and trust issues. To mitigate risk and potential lawsuits stemming from data breaches, company must invest significantly in customer privacy protection. This includes adopting cutting-edge security technology and employing trained experts to monitor data security round the clock. Large companies may maintain in-house security teams, while smaller businesses often rely on services like Symantec's Norton Secured Seal to instill confidence in customers regarding the safety of their online transactions. Another challenge is overcoming customers' lack of trust. Nabalik man eh. Maorat ko din. A perception of trustworthiness can be created by implementing one or more of the following strategies. One is to demonstrate a strong desire to build an ongoing relationship with customers by giving first time price incentives, offering loyalty programs, or eliciting and sharing customer feedback, and demonstrate that the company have been in business for a long time. Make it clear that considerable investment have been made in the website. For, provide brand endorsement from well-known expert or well-respected individuals. Demonstrate participation in appropriate regulatory programs or industry association. Lastly, display website accreditation by the Better Business Bureau online or trustee programs. Overcoming global issues. E-commerce and m-commerce present significantly opportunities for manufacturers to source supplies globally at lower cost. They also provide enterprises with immediate access to a global market. Additionally, these platforms hold promise for developing countries, facilitating their entry to the global marketplace and potentially reducing the economic disparity between affluent and less affluent nations. This expanded accessibility allow individuals and businesses to produce products and services from a global pool of offerings, transcending geographical limitations. These opportunities, however, come with numerous obstacles and issues associated with all global systems. Perception of trustworthiness and can be created by implementing one or more of the following strategies. First is cultural challenges. Great care must be taken to ensure that the website is appealing, easy to use, and not offensive to potential customers around the world. Language challenges. Language differences can make difficult to understand the information and direction posted on website. Time and distance challenges. Significantly, time differences make it difficult for some people to be able to speak to customers services representative or to get technical support during regular waking hours. Infrastructure challenges. The website must support access by customer using wide variety of hardware and software devices. And currency challenges. The website must be able to state prices and accept payment in a variety of currencies. Lastly, state, regional, and national law challenges. The website must operate in conformance to a wide variety of laws and cover variety of issues, including the protection of trademarks patterns, the sale of copyright material, the collection and the safeguarding of the personal and financial data, the payment of sales, taxes and fees, and much more. Manufacturing. One approach taken by many manufacturers to raise profitability and improve customer service is to move their supply chain operation onto the internet. Here, they can perform electronic exchange, an electronic forum where manufacturers, suppliers, and competitors buy and sell goods, trade market information, and run back office operations, such as inventory control as shown in figure 5.2, which is shown in the bottom part. This approach speeds up the movement of the raw materials and finished products and reduces the amount of inventory that must be maintained. It also leads to a much more competitive marketplace and lower prices. Companies can participate in one of three types of exchanges based on who operates the exchange. First is private exchanges. These are owned by operated by a single company, exclusively by trading and established business partners. An example is Walmart's Retail Link. Second is consortium operated exchanges. These are the run by a group of traditionally competing companies with common procurement needs. convinced for distance was developed to serve the needs of major automakers. Third is independent exchanges. These are the open to any buyers and sellers with a given market. They offer services and common technology platform members, typically for free. An example for Tiny is TinyPass and commerce platform content publishers sell access to their media. Marketing. The internet allows firms to gather extensive information about customer behavior and preferences. This data is utilized for market segmentation and dividing potential customers into subgroups based on demographic characteristics like age, gender, income, and location. Previously, B2B market segmentation was challenging due to limited access to firmographic data. However, Excellate in partnership with Dun and Bradstreet now offers a data service solution providing access to a database of 250 million business records. This includes essential company information such as contact, names, job titles, location, employee count, annual sales, and industry classification codes. This data facilitates identification, access, and segmentation of potential B2B audiences, enabling analysis to estimate potential sales, rank business, and target tailored marketing messages effectively. And the last slide is about advertising. Mobile and networks facilitate the distribution of mobile ads to various publishers, including mobile websites, app developers, and mobile operators. These ads are typically purchased based on cost per thousand or CPM, cost per click or CPC, or cost per action CPA models. Success metrics for these ads include the number of users reached, click-through rate (CTR), and the number of actions taken by users, such as downloads prompted by the ad. Thank you.
This marketing company. Their advertising spending and many organizations are willing to pay extra to purchase the data from a mobile ad network or a third party. InMovie is a mobile advertising provider that reaches 1 billion active users with over 130 billion monthly ad impressions. The company uses a technique it calls apographic targeting to help marketers increase the chance of connecting users to the type of media and apps they are most likely to engage with by analyzing the core functional design and integrative attributes or more than
Jen.
10,000 apps.
Pakita mo
Yeah.
lang, Jen.
Uh, um, by analyzing the core functional and interactive attributes or more than 10,000 apps, InMovie has divided its audience of active users into 200 apographic segments based on its users' existing and previous application downloads rather than on clicks. As UP. Marketing for some hotel booking flow economic people earned barter as means of gaining goods and services. A number of websites have been created to support this activity, as shown in Table 5.3. Have been created to support this activity, as shown in Table. Some businesses are willing to barter to reduce excess inventory, gain new customers, or avoid paying cash for raw materials or services. Cash transfers may find bartering to be a attractive alternative to paying scarce dollars. Generally, bartering transactions tax reporting, accounting, and coordinated with them. Indeed, the IRS hosts a bartering tax center which provide data and for transactions.
Lagay!
On with of about the is in the unique but advice to this shop using
Laga sound.
targeted and
Walang recording kay Lagay.
personally add to a retailer's site. Price comparison. An increasing number of companies provide mobile phone apps that enable shoppers to compare prices and products online. Readlyso enables shoppers to do a quick price comparison by simply scanning products code. Amazon Price pick up search for pricing by clicking a DVD, CD, or video game. The barcode respond price comparison. During 2000, incentives were distributed with 86 billion. Stand, freestanding insert FSI coupons with an average face value of 1 per coupons dollars, 1 per $1 per coupon, only 25% revenue to economic times for many people. Businesses now offer a variety of digital cards which uh, redeem higher returns than if coupons available. Websites are delivered to customers via email. Shoppers sections can go to stores website and load digital coupons onto their store loyalty card. Other retailers have programs that allow a person to enter their mobile number and a PIN at checkout to redeem coupons they selected online. Many consumers, product manufacturers, retailers, and other businesses now send mobile phones directly to customers' smartphones via SMS technology. The world investment and finance. Perhaps the changes have been so significant because this industry has so penetrated in intensive and so much the business that are learning about online trading enable crowdfunders and then buy shares in company a portion of the cost competitors to they offer mobile things to tablet smartphone and but apps allow and visitors a secure platform to monitor their portfolio of real stock with preferred stocks and execute trades. Banking. Online banking customers can check balance of their savings, transfer funds, check by hand, tracking their card balances, and of reducing expenditures on envelope banking customers of knowing that an environment cost reduces the amount of greenhouse gases. Many banks in the United States enable their consumers to pay bills of banking in most industry with the bank logo. High balances banks that services to of the many banks have eliminated all fees created with on-bill payment. Established you are and a new supply chain management of and looking at the amount spent with cleaning supplies, furniture, and appliances. You have a ability of establishing an electronic changes consortium of other suppliers in an attempt to review questions. Electronic participate in exchange identify several issues that implicate the formation of such a consortium. So recommend a market continue to explore the possibility of setting a consortium. Why or why not? Technology and structure in commerce. Full implementation of a e-business requires significant changes to exchange business and investment in tech customers at business partners worldwide. So note the poor website performance indicate port and them to abandon some e-commerce sites in favor of those with better, more reliable performance. This overview of infrastructure component. Commercial develop away infrastructure the amount and compute power required to the third process Um, prices. The most social high so great expected pick.
Technology infrastructure required to support e-commerce and m-commerce. Successful e-business implementation demands significant changes to existing processes, substantial IS technology, investment and careful selection and integration of technology components to support high transaction volumes globally. Poor websites performance drives consumers away, emphasizing the need for reliable infrastructure. So here are the key technology infrastructure components: the hardware, web server software, e-commerce software, mobile commerce hardware and software, electronic payment system. Hardware for e-commerce infrastructure. A web server hardware platform coupled with appropriate software is crucial for e-commerce infrastructure. As shown in the table 5.4 are the values for the key measures for 5 popular online retailers for 1 week. Second is the web server software. Web server software is essential for commerce websites, providing fundamental services like security, page retrieval, tracking, and development. In addition to web server operating system, each e-commerce website must have web server software to perform fundamental services, including security and identification, retrieval and sending of web pages, website tracking, website development, and web page development. The two examples of web server software is the Apache HTTP server. It is an open source software known for its flexibility and reliability. Microsoft Internet Information Services, or IIS, is widely used on Windows servers, offering seamless integration with Microsoft technologies. Third is e-commerce software. E-commerce software is essential for managing online businesses and support 5 core tasks: catalog management, product configuration, shopping cart facilities, e-commerce transaction processing, and web traffic data analysis. It is installed after setting up the whole server, including hardware, operating system, and web server software, and plays a crucial role in managing product offerings, assisting customers in making selections, tracking purchases, processing transactions, and optimizing website performance. The fourth is mobile commerce hardware and software. Mobile commerce or m-commerce is necessitates user-friendly interfaces, improved network speeds, and robust security measures despite mobile devices limitations like small screens, lower processing power. Developers must ensure accessibility. Challenges include providing secure transactions, optimizing interfaces for small screens, and managing limited battery life. Examples include interface improvements, network speed optimization, security enhancement, screen adaptation, and battery life management. Electronic payment system. It is a key component of e-commerce infrastructure, essential for facilitating transactions securely in the online marketplace. Security measures relies on user identification and encryption to safeguard business transactions. Examples of electronic payment systems is the electronic cash. It is a digital currency used for online transactions like PayPal or GCash that enables any persons or businesses with an email address to securely and easily and quickly send and receive payments of online. Credit, change, and debit is a various card-based payment options widely used for online transactions, and electronic wallets secure platforms for storing payment information and making online purchases. Thank you.
Additional transaction processing methods are subject to the batch processing system. Form data processing, whereby business transactions are accumulated over a period of time and prepared for processing in a single unit or batch. As say the as what you see the chart is the example of versus online transaction processing. Online transaction processing or OLP, a form of data processing where each transaction is processed immediately without the delay of a transaction into a batch. Example of an OLP system hospitality companies such as Circle National News and OCP system to manage payments and financial transactions. So here is the table of the sample of integrated actions of SFO. Integration of a firm's CPS and transactions entered into one system is processed. They create new transactions that go into another system. So here's the gist of the CPS. Because of the transaction processing, organizations accept their TPS to accomplish of specific objectives, including the following: capture, process, and update databases of business data required to support routine business activities. Ensure that the data is processed accurately and completely. Avoid processing fraudulent transactions. Produce timely user responses and reports. Reduce clerical and other labor requirements. An organization typically employs types of transaction processing systems. Running these systems efficiently and reliable is so that the order system is that of their against order. But check or this data of close organizations. Finally, the information is also developed system to update the customer account. With the customer pays the invoice, payment information is also used to update the account. For traditional transaction processing system that supports the purchasing business function include recon purchase, receiving, actionable purchase order, request response to sources identified in inventory control reports. Thank you.
Transaction processing activities. Along with having common characteristics, all TPCs perform a common set of basic data processing activities. TPCs capture and process data that describes fundamental business transactions. This data is used to update databases and to produce a variety of reports for people both within the outside the enterprise. The process of data collection, data editing, data correction, data processing, data storage, and document production. Inexi. Data collection, capturing and gathering all data necessary to complete the processing of transactions. Source data automation, capturing data at its source and recording it accurately in a timely fashion with minimal manual effort and in an electronic or digital form so that it can be directly entered into the computer. Point of sale transaction processing system. The purchase of items at the checkout stand updates as stores inventory database and its database of purchases. Grocery stores often use point of sale scanners and coupon printers to print coupons for specific products. Companies can pay to be promoted through these systems, increasing profits by improving repeat sales and generating revenue. Mobile POS systems, which operate on devices like iPads, iPhones, and iPad Touch, offer marketing tools for SMEs. Cloud-based POS systems offer advanced integration with digital loyalty programs, accounting tools, and gift card generation. SME owners can implement these systems for a few $1,000s. Data editing. Checking data for validity and completeness to detect any problems. Data correction. Re-entering data that was not typed or scanned properly. Data processing. Performing calculations and other data transformations related to business transactions. Next, yeah. Data storage, updating one or more databases with new transactions. Document production, generating output records, documents, and reports. TPS needed to support small business. Cal is starting a small business to prepare, cook, and deliver healthy meals to customers in his area. He meets with potential customers, discusses their eating habits, and helps them select from a menu of vegetarian, gluten-free, low-carb, and high-protein options. Cal and his workers buy ingredients weekly, cook meals, and deliver them twice a week. The business has grown, but Vertical needs to track expenses, set up a payroll systems, and improve ingredient planning. Enterprise systems, a system central to the organization that ensures information can be shared with authorized users across all business function and at all levels of management to support the running and managing of a business. Enterprise Resource Planning. Enterprise Resource Planning or ERP is a set of integrated programs that manage a company's vital business operations for an entire organization, even a complex, multi-site, and global organization. Thank you.
So, improve access to quality data for operational decision making. Next, yeah. ERP systems are databases that support all business functions, eliminating the need for data collection from multiple functions or reconciling data from multiple applications. This result is a seamless organization facilitating operational decision making, better customer service, stronger relationships, and new business opportunities. High quality data is essential for ERP systems to contribute to improved decision making. Women's World Banking, a global nonprofit, im- implemented an ERP system to streamline operations, provides access to detailed transaction information, and maintains transparency in its balances. The system has reduced accounts payable and grant reporting time, reduced data entry by 14 hours per month, and increased visibility into speeding across multiple entities, grants, donors, and projects. Next, yeah. Elimination of costly, inflexible legacy systems. Stonewall Scientific upgraded its manufacturing system to a single database ERP system, reducing data entry errors and bottlenecks. The system improved inventory control, warehouse management, and efficiency, ensuring organization stays competitive and adapt to evolving business needs. Next, yeah. Improvement of work processes. ERP vendors research and design business processes based on industry best practices, ensuring efficiency and customer orientedness. Prime Meats, an Atlanta-based company that offers high-quality steaks to steakhouses and restaurants, implemented an ERP system to address challenges in its growth. The system offered a flexible, fully integrated end-to-end business and accounting software, along with prepackaged industry best practice functionality for handling specific pricing, packaging, and delivery requirements of an online meat business. This increased efficiency ensures that everyday operations follow the optimal chain of activities, providing all users with the necessary information and tools. Next. Opportunity to upgrade and standardize technology infrastructure. Implementing an ERP system allows organizations to upgrade their information technology, eliminating the need for multiple hardware platforms, operating system, and databases. This standardization reduces maintenance and support costs and training load. Whirlpool, a leading home appliance manufacturer, recently overhauled its ERP infrastructure to create a new operational backbone for growth. The company is upgrading to next generation SAP ERP software and a hybrid cloud system hosted by IBM. Leading ERP systems. ERP systems are used in various industries, including manufacturing, colleges, and healthcare. However, no single ERP software solution is best for all organizations. ERP vendors are classified as tier 1, 2, or 3, based on their target customers. Tier 1, Tier 1 vendors target large multinational firms with multiple locations and annual revenues exceeding $1 billion. Tier 2 vendor targets medium-sized firms with annual revenues between $50 million and $1 billion. Tier 3 vendors target smaller firms with annual revenues between $10 million and $50 million, offering easy and inexpensive solutions. ERP software. Smaller organizations transitioned to ERP system about 10 years after larger ones due to financial constraints. ERP software vendors introduce lower startup costs and faster implementation with cloud-based solutions like Plex and NetSuite offering web-based access. Open source ERP systems like Compire allow organizations to customize software to meet their needs and integrate other systems. Software service organization can perform system development and maintenance, making ERP systems more affordable and accessible for businesses. Customer Relationship Management CRM system, a system that helps a company manage all aspects of customers encounters including marketing, sales distribution, accounting, and customer service. Next. Customer Relationship Management System. So, CRM software automates sales, marketing, and service functions in organizations, capturing data about every customer interaction through channels. It helps build a detailed database for management, salespeople, and customers to match needs with product plans, remind them of service requirements, and report on customer purchases. Implementation is chosen by various industries. Consider the following example. So, Expensify, a financial services firm, has grown rapidly since the interception in 2008 and recently opened a London office to expand into Europe, European market. The company initially used Excel spreadsheets to CRM but found Google Apps tools insufficient for handling customer data. Eventually, Expensify implemented a customizable CRM system that provide all necessary tools for sales and customer service team. TUMI, a business and travel product company, implemented a CRM application integrated with an ERP system to improve inventory tracking, sales forecasting, and financial reporting. This enables TUMI to provide real-time information about order and repair status, keep up with market trends, and respond to customers' changing needs, leading to a 20% increase in sales. The American Red Cross uses a cloud-based CRM platform from Salesforce to manage relationships with its large network of donors, volunteers, blood donors, and recipients. Next. Yeah. Okay na. Next.
SAP Contact Manager. Contact management, the ability to track data on individual customers and sales leads, and then access the data from any part of the organization, which shows the SAP Contact Manager. Sales management, the ability to organize data about customers and sales leads, and then to prioritize the potential sales opportunities and identify appropriate next steps. Customer support, the ability to support customer service representatives so that they can quickly, truly, and appropriately address customers' requests and resolve customer issues while collecting and storing data about those interactions. Marketing automation, the ability to capture and analyze all customer interaction, generate appropriate responses, and gather data to create and build effective and efficient marketing campaigns.
Camera, camera.
Sorry. Analysis, the ability to analyze customer data to identify ways to increase revenue and decrease costs, identify to firms best customers and determine how to retain and find more of them. Social networking, the ability to create and join sites such as Facebook where salespeople can make contacts with potential customers. Access by mobile devices, the ability to access web-based customer relationship management software by smartphones, tablets, and other mobile devices. Import contact data, the ability to the ability for users to import contact data from various data service provides that can be downloaded for free directly into the CRM application. CRM involves moving from selling products to replacing the customers first. Before installing software, companies must retain employees, define who handles customer issues, and integrate computer system. In New Skin Enterprises as $2 billion direct sales organization face customer service challenges due to rapid turnover of call center agents and disconnected tools. A CRM system from SAP was integrated with the company's existing ERP system, providing agents immediate access and to customer sales histories. This enabled agents to resolve callers' queries more quickly, reducing frustration levels and allowing them to focus on developing stronger relationships with customers and distributors. Highly rated CRM system. Next slide. Due to the popularity of mobile devices, shoppers can easily compare products and prices on their mobile phones and instantly tweet their experience with a brand to dozens of friends. Savvy retailer to use their CRM systems to stay on top of what these customers are saying on social networks. For instance, Wells Fargo Bank uses social media to keep track of what its customers are saying and then responds quickly to their issues and questions to improve customer satisfaction. Most CRM systems can now be accessed via smartphones to gain work with the most current customers' information even while on the move. However, in the in a recent survey, just under 25% of salespeople who have smartphone use it to access their firm's CRM system. Another 10% of salespeople work for a company whose CRM system did not allow mobile access. Product life cycle management. Product life cycle management (PLM) is an enterprise business strategy that creates a common res- res- rep- repository of product information and processes to support the collaborative collaborative creation, management, dissemination, and use of product and packaging definition information. Product lifecycle management software provides a means of for managing the data and processes associated with the various phases of the product lifecycle, including sales and marketing, research and development, concept development, product design, prototyping and testing, manufacturing, process design, production and assembly, delivery and product installation, service and support, and product retirement and replacement. As products as products advance through this stage, product data is generated and distributed to various groups, both within and outside the manufacturing firm. This data includes design and process documents, bill of material definition, product attributes, product formulation, and documents needed for FDA and environmental compliance. PLM software provides support for the key function of configuration management, document management, engineering change management, release management, and collaboration with suppliers and original equipment manufacturers. Next na. Scope of PLM software. PLM software supports the product's development lifecycle by managing and processes associated with various pieces. It includes computer-aided design, CAD, computer-aided engineering, and computer-aided manufacturing. CM, CAD assists in creating, analyzing, and modifying component or product design, increasing productivity and improving design quality. CEA analyzes the robustness and performance of components and assemblies, supporting simulation, validation, and optimization of products and manufacturing tools. CAM controls machine tools and machinery in the manufacturing of components and products. The model generated in CAD and verified in CAE can be input into CAM software controlling the machine tool. CAD, CAE, and CAM software. Some organizations elect to implement a single integrated PLM system that encompass, encompasses all the phase of the product life cycle with which is most concerned. Other organizations choose to implement multiple separate PLM software components from different vendors over time. This piecemeal meal approach enables organization to choose the software that the best meets in it needs for a particular phase in the product life cycle. It also allows for incremental investment in the PLM strategy. However, it may be difficult to link all the various components together in such a manner that a single comprehensive database, product, and process data is created. Use an effective PLM system enables global organizations to work as a single team to design, produce, support, and retire products while capturing best practices and lesson learned along the way. 74 PLM powers innovation and improves productivity by connecting people across global product development and manufacturing organization with the product and process knowledge they need to succeed. PLM business strategy. PLM software used by internal and external users to define, maintain, update, and share product information throughout a product's lifecycle. Waterpeak, a Colorado-based company with over 500 pa- patients, implemented Softtech Product Center PLM software to manage its CAD product data. The software secures product information for three of its main product lines and manage all business processes, which are automatically set to expire every 2 years. This ensures procedures are current and compliant with industry standards. Non-disclosure agreements are often required to reduce the risk of proprietary information sharing.
Principle: Electronic commerce is involving providing new way of conducting business that present both potential benefits and problems. Electronic commerce is the conducting of business activities, distributing, buying, selling, marketing, and marketing, servicing of product or services. Electronical over computer network, business to business, e-commerce allow manufacturer to buy at low cost worldwide and offers enterprises the chance to sell the global market. The greatest dollar volume of e-commerce sales fall under the category of B2B e-commerce, business to business to consumer, B2C. E-commerce enable organizations to sell directly to consumers, eliminating intermediaries. In many cases, this practice squeezes costs and inefficiencies out of the supply chain and can lead to higher profit and lower prices. Consumer to consumer C2C e-commerce involve consumers selling directly to other consumers. Online agents are the safe method by which C2C e-commerce is currently conducted. E-government involved the use of information and communication technology to simplify the sharing of information. Speed formerly paper-based processes and improve the relationship between citizen and government. Mobile commerce in the use of mobile devices, so as tablet and smartphone, to facilitate the sale of goods or services anytime and anywhere. Mobile commerce is a rapidly growing segment of commerce with Japan. Next year. The United Kingdom, the South Korea, leading the world in the e-commerce growth. The market for e-commerce in North America is growing rapidly because of ad- advances in wireless broadband technology. The development of new and powerful applications and the availability of less costly but more powerful smartphones. Numerous retailers have established special websites for users of mobile devices. Conversion to a e-commerce or m-commerce system enable organizations to reach new commerce consumers, reduce the cost of doing business, speed the flow of goods and information, increase the accuracy of order processes and order fulfillment, and improve the level of consumer service. A film faced strict challenges when converting its business processes from the traditional form to e-commerce processes. 1. Dealing effectively with consumer privacy concerns. 2. Successfully overcoming consumer lack of trust. 3. Overcoming global issues. The web allows firms to gather much more information about customer behavior and preferences than they could using other marketing approaches. This new technology has greatly enhanced enhanced the practice of market segmentation and thus enable many companies to establish closer relationships with their consumer. The internet has revolutionized the world of investment and finance, especially online stock trading and online banking. The internet has also created many options for electronic goods access where geographical disparate buyer and seller can come together. The numerous e-commerce applications include advertising, bartering, retargeting, price comparison, component, investment and finance, and banking. Next year. Principle. E-commerce and e-commerce require the careful planning and integration of a number of technology infrastructure components. A number of infrastructure components must be chosen and integrated to support a large volume of transactions with customers, suppliers, and other business partners worldwide. These components include hardware, web service, software, and e-commerce software. E-commerce presents additional infrastructure challenges, including improving the ease of use of wireless devices, addressing the security of wireless transactions, and improving network speed. Electronic payment systems are a key component of e-commerce infrastructure. A digital certificate is an attachment to an email message or data in, embedded. It's a web page that verifies the identity of a sender or a web, website. To help prevent the theft of credit card number and banking information, the Transport Layer Security (LTS) communication protocol is used to secure all sensitive data. Several electronic cards alternatives require the processor to next year. To open an account with an electronic card service provider and to present proof of identity whenever payment are to be made. Payment can also be made by credit, charge, debit, smart card, and P-card. Retail and banking industry are developing means to enable payment using the cell phone like a credit card. Next year. Principle. An organization must have information systems that support routine day day-to-day activities and that help a company add value to its product and services. Transaction processing system (TPS) are at the heart of most information systems businesses today. A TPS is an organization collection of people, procedures, software, databases, and devices used to capture fundamental data about events that affect the organization, and that use the data to update the official record of organization. The method of TPS include batch and online processing. Batch processing involves the collection of transactions to batches which are entered into the system to regularly interval as a group. Online transaction processing OLTP allow transaction to be processed by the occur. Organization expect TPS to accomplish a number of specific objectives, including processing data generated by and about transaction, maintaining a high degree of accuracy and information integrity, compli- compiling accurate and high degree of accuracy and information integrity, helping provider increase and enhance service, and building and maintaining consumer loyalty. In some situations, an effective TPS can help an organization gain a competitive advantage. Other processing systems capture and process consumer order data from the receipt of the order to creation of a consumer invoice. Accounting systems track the flow of data related to all the cash flow that affect the organization. Processing systems support the inventory control, purchase order processing, receiving, and account payable business function. Organization data include typically implement an integrated state of TPS from a single or limited number of software vendors to meet the transaction processing needs. All TPS perform the following basic activities: data collection will involve the capture of source data to complete a set transaction. Data editing will check for data validity and completeness. Data correction will involve providing feedback regarding a potential problem and in enabling users to change the data. Data processing with the performance of calculation, sorting, categorizing, summarizing, and storing data for further processing. Data storage will involve placing transaction data into one more databases, and document production will involve outputting electronic or hard copy record and report. Next, yeah. Principle. An organization that implements an enterprise system is creating a highly integrated set of systems, which can lead to many business benefits. Enterprise resource planning (ERP) software support the efficient operation of business process by integrating activities throughout a business, including sales, marketing, manufacturing, logistics, accounting, and staffing. Implementing an ERP system can provide many advantages, including allowing access to data for operational decision making, eliminating costly, flexible legacy systems, providing improved work processes, and setting the opportunity to upgrade technology infrastructure.
Okay, thank you, Joel. And that's all the report for the group 2. Thank you and goodbye.